Hello, welcome to the first video at the channel. Hope you enjoy and thank you for watching. So first we're going to go into the association. Welcome to the association mode. In this mode you take charge of operations for an NBA team, player trades, contract signings and the draft all under your control. Okay, options. Let me think. Historic player off, injuries off, quarter length doesn't matter, but I just like to have it at 12 minutes, you know. Okay, now we're gonna pick a random team. Hopefully it's good for us. Okay, please be a good team, please be a good team, please be a good team, please be a good team. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The Heat. Okay, we got Jimmy and Bam. Team profile. Yeah, got the roster, we're using them. Create new file. Okay, what are we gonna name it? We're gonna name it 2K Mobile Rebuild. Just let that load. Yeah, that's done. Now we're looking at the roster. Got Goran Dragic and Kendrick Nunn, Tyler Hero, Jimmy Butler, Andre Iguodala, and Casey Okpala. I just look at the whole roster. We got Crowder, Adebayo, Iguodala, Silva, Olynyk, Jones Jr., Leonard, Haslam, Hill, Robinson. We could pull something off here, you know. First thing that we're going to do... Oh, Bam's a 79. We've got to trade him. We'll trade Bam in a first-round pick. We'll see what's out there for him. Hopefully something good. That's a bad trade. There's just some really bad trades here. Dwight Howard. I'm giving up Duncan Robinson. Jared Allen, Spencer Dinwiddie. Oh, and I'm giving up Kelly. Probably will do that. I'll probably trade for... Let me think. Yeah, we'll trade for Spencer Dinwiddie and Jared Allen. We're giving up Bam first and Kelly Olynyk. Could I just not give up the first? They want a first. They want Udon, and I'll give us Wilson Chandler. I don't want to give up the first. They want Tyler here, and I want Caleb Levert. And I'll give us Karis LeVert. Not bad. But do we have to do that? We'll just do the original trade. Hopefully it works. Yeah, we're gonna need to do the original trade. They accept it. That's great. Now, who are we gonna trade now? We're gonna trade Goran Dragic, Jay Crowder. Tristan Thompson, maybe. Maybe that's a possibility. Devontae Graham's not a bad idea. Jordan Clarkson and Joe Ingles, Vedette. Malcolm Brogdon, that's probably the right move there. JJ Redick, nah. Rubio, nah. We're going for Malcolm Brogdon here. Brogdon's his move to do. Now, let's trade Jimmy Butler. We're just gonna see what's out there. If there's something good, Tobias Harris, Chris Middleton. Maybe there's gonna be something good. Mike Conley. He's a 78 in the 2K on the video game system now. VO, not bad idea. Drew Holiday. DeMar DeRozan, no. D-Book, Gallo, James, CJ McCollum. Clay and Eric Pascal for Jimmy Butler and Duncan Robinson. I'm probably gonna do that. Yeah, we're gonna do that. But I'm giving up Jimmy Butler. Screw it, I think. Yes. Yeah, screw it. We're doing it. We're gonna trade now. Yeah, we'll trade Iggy. And Jones Jr. Tristan Thompson. Tristan Thompson is out here a lot. Same as Devontae Graham. Marcus Smart? Ooh. Maybe Marcus Smart? We'll see if there's anything else out there. Marcus Morris. Kyle Anderson a pass. Bismack. Bojan Bogdanovic is not a bad idea. Yeah, we're gonna go for Bojan Bogdanovic and Nigel Williams. We're giving up Andre Iguodala and Derek Jones Jr. Okay, now if I look at the roster, we've got Dinwiddie, Brogdon, Nunn. Yeah, wait. Will he be better if we move his position to a point guard? Let's see. Please be good, please be good, please be good. It'd be great if he is. Oh, he's a 78. He dropped 5 overalls. Let's look at Kendrick Nunn now. Point guard. Please be good. That's where you play in real life, mate. Please be good. Watch him drop to like a 60 overall now, and I'll be really bummed. Let's see. Oh, please be good, man. And he's dropped 8 overalls. That's so annoying. I'll change him and Brogdon back to shooting guards. Quickly, just let it load. And Brogdon back to a what's called a point guard. In secondary position, a shooting guard. Why did I say point guard? Let it load. Okay, we're gonna need to trade someone now. Hero Leonard, Thaddeus Young, Tristan Thompson, Marcus Smart, and Daniel Tice. Not a bad idea. Cody Zeller, JaVale, DeAndre Jordan, and Joe Harris. Please be something good. Oh, Draymond has an 86 overall. That's not. Yeah. Let me just double check all the trades. Yeah, we're gonna go for Draymond Green. Defense wins games. So, we'll do that trade. Let me just think now. If I look at the roster, we got Dinwiddie, Clay, Bojan, Draymond, Jared Allen, Brogdon, Pascal. I'm all in play those guys and Kendrick Nunn. But we'll just see what we can get for Jared Allen and Kendrick Nunn. Not looking like much. Willie Cauley-Stein? Nah. We ain't gonna do any of those trades. We're now gonna just... Is it just gonna be okay if we give up a second round pick and Jared Allen, Kyle Quinn? Looking at these offers, I don't think we're gonna trade Jared Allen. There's Dwight Howard, but is that really an upgrade? DeAndre Jordan and Garrett Temple. This is pretty hard. Solomon Hill and Udonis Haslam. Anything decent? There's Nicole Melly and Darius Miller. That's on just Solomon Hill in the second round pick. Yeah, let's do that. Now we're gonna flip Melly yeah, we're gonna see if, because he's young, I think there's gonna be trade value for him. Bovey. I'm giving Kendrick Nunn up in that trade? No way. I'm also gonna give up Kizzy Akapala. Daniel Tice. Devontae Graham. But we've already got a lot of guards. JaVale isn't a bad idea. Yeah. JaVale's a good idea. Markieff Morris. Yeah. We're gonna go for JaVale McGee and Jared Dudley. Now we need to look at this roster. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, I think we're set. Maybe we could pull something off right now to get someone better. Like, you know, I mean, it's not the greatest team, but we might have to deal with it. So, yeah. We're gonna rock a 9-man rotation. So, yeah. It's not the deepest team. Yeah. We're gonna need to make a trade, I think. We'll see what we can get for Clay. When Gordon Hayward... How's Gordon Hayward the best offer for Clay? Let's do Clay and Draymond. Kemba and Marcus Smart. Mike Conley. John Wall. And we'll put it in a second. These are not... This is not good, yeah? Okay, we're gonna give... We'll see what we can give a Draymond. Jaylen Brown and Marcus Smart, I think that was. That's not bad. Aaron Gordon. DeAndre Jordan. Derek Favors. Rudy Gay. No, I'm not gonna do any trades, but our rotation's good enough. No mints to you, Darius Miller, or you, Jared Dudley, or you, Udonis Haslam. Kendrick Nunn. Why is Chris Silva in the lineup over Kendrick Nunn? Okay, I'll just do these minutes quickly. And why is Malcolm Brogdon off the bench and Dinwiddie starting? So, yeah, that's a good 9-man rotation in my opinion. Good enough to win a championship? Hopefully. As I said before, this is a 1-year rebuilding challenge. So, this is the only season to win a championship. Just doing the minutes. Whoa, Jared Allen, you're not getting 35 on this team. We'll give... We'll give you 19 JaVale. Wait. No, we'll give you 18 JaVale McGee. And we'll give 19 to Kendrick Nunn. Now, I've got to simulate the season. Wait, no, I forgot to do scoring options. I'll just quickly do that. The first scoring option is going to be Nigel Williams-Goss. I'm joking. It's going to be Klay Thompson. Second will be Malcolm Brogdon. And who is going to be the third scoring option? We'll just leave it default. That's good enough. Now, the season. Hopefully we're good enough. We're doing good. Shaquille Harrison for Kendrick Nunn. No thanks. Yeah, we're doing good. Oh, we're not doing that great. We might not make the playoffs. Okay, win 5 games in a row. That's nice. 24 and 22 weeks to go at the trade deadline. Shaquille Harrison for Kendrick Nunn. I've said this a couple times now. No, I'm not giving up Kendrick Nunn for Shaquille Harrison. We had 27 at 23 at the trade deadline. Clay was not an all-star. That's a bit shocking. And you'd imagine on this team, like him being a lead scoring option, he'd be averaging a lot more than he would with Steph and KD. You know, finished the season with the best division record. That's great. Make the playoffs, yay! All players happy. No one really cares. Player named to the all-defensive second team. That's probably Draymond Green. AD MVP average 23, 9, 4, 2, 1.5. Average 54 from the field, 82 from the free throw line, and 31 from 3. Are those MVP numbers? Probably. Just needs to up the points in my opinion. You know, like, yeah. Luka's Doncic Rookie of the Year. 1, he's not a rookie, and 2, those are terrible stats for 93 overall. Like, I know you're playing with Kristaps, but you're definitely better than Kristaps, mate. Like, Hassan Whiteside 6 Man of the Year, you know, good for you. I mean, yeah. Anthony Davis, D-Boy, Malik Monk, MIP, averaged 21 points. Frank Vogel, Coach of the Year, of course, was 65 and 17 record. Ooh, All-NBA first team, Kyrie Irving. Wouldn't expect that. He averaged 28. Wow. Second team, Westbrook, Curry, Leonard, George, and Embiid. Third team is Booker, Paul, DeRozan, Williamson, and Vucevic. None of those guys are really deserving of it, except for Chris Paul. Defensive first team, Irving, Oladipo, Antetokounmpo, Jordan Davis. Why is Irving here? Defensive second team is Simmons, Bledsoe, Green, Leonard, and Gobert. They're all better defenders than Irving. Maybe you could argue with Bledsoe. And the rookie teams are messed up. Oh, look at Marvin Bagley. We're the 3 seed going against the Bulls. We should win this round, and it's 4-1. Yay, we're going against the 7 seed. We're going to beat them. Not. I failed this challenge. Wow. That's not exciting. I mean, I know that they have Bradley Beal and John Wall, but we have a very deep team. 76ers win the championship. Joel Embiid, good for you. That's annoying. No. Udonis Haslem retired? That's so sad. He that's loyalty at its finest. And why was Vince Carter on the Spurs? Malcolm Brogdon averaged 16, 4, 4, half steal, 43% from the field, and 40% from 3. Yeah, those are good numbers. Clay, he averaged 24, 5, 2, half a steal, a block, 44% from the field, and 40% from 3. How is he not an all-star? That's just not nice. Bojan, you averaged 12, 5, 1, 44% from the field, and 35% from 3. Dropping percentages, not the greatest, you know, but it's okay. Now we got Draymond. He regressed. That's sad. He averaged 11, 7, 6, 2, 1, 46 from the field, and 38% from 3. Okay, what you doing, Draymond? You're doing great, honestly. Like, that's... Wow. Yeah, no wonder you made a defensive team. You and how are you shooting that efficient, man? Now we got Jared Allen. He averaged 9, 9, half a steal, a block, 42% from the field, and 7% from 3. Jeez, Jared Allen. That's not very good. Spencer Dinwiddie averaged 10, 3, 4, 41% from field, and 33% from three. Nowhere near as good as him in real life. He's averaged like double the points. Eric Pascal, he averaged 7, 4, 1.5, 44% from the field, and 32% from three. Okay-ish, you know. Now we got Udon's still here. Kendrick Nunn. He averaged 3.5, 2, 1, 1 steal, 37% from field, and 20% from three. Man, holy efficiency. And JaVale McGee, he averaged 9.5, 5, 1 block a game, and shot 58% from the field. He's averaging more points than starting center Jared Allen. Yeah, so that was a disappointment of the challenge. Thank you for watching.